Hello, this is Harvey J from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video, with another unboxing. I have a pack in front of me. Let's see what we have inside. Here we go. You see three bulbs. They're not any bulb. They are not ordinary bulb. They're little high. They have 18 watt. Here we go. Let me take one out. You can see very simple E27 holder. It has E27 18 watt 6000 Kelvin. This is blue white very high dense bulb for photograph or other purpose you can use. I will use for webcam lighting where I need a strong light. We take out another, but packaging is really good. Here you can see. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.